Tapos naalala ko si Malutikia, sabi niya, ang bagong Pilipinas is just an aspiration, etc., etc. Oo, aspiration talaga yun. Parang change is coming. Aspiration lang yun. It is the tagline of the administration. O so what? Padding, guys. Padding. Her trust rating is based on a lie. Her accomplishment rating is based on presumptions. Walang laman. Puro padding ang ginagawa. Imagine sa 20 na nilista ng mga kotsero, mga hardcore na to. Hardcore DDS na to. Sa fan page kinuha. So hardcore na yan. Mga hardcore na yan. Hindi sila makakita ng accomplishment ni VP Sara that is worthwhile.